Hey guys, welcome to another investing episode. Today's episode, it's that time of the month again. It's my passive income report for the month of December. I think you'll be fascinated by just how much I've earned in passive income. I'll be revealing all my sources, as always, completely transparent so you guys can see exactly what I earned and where. If that sounds like something you're interested in, then do please smash the like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and all will be revealed after the intro. See you there. Welcome everybody to the video. So my first source of passive income this month, as it will be for nearly every month, is my 2 buy-to-let properties, sourcing me a grand total of £1,300 before agency fees and tax and anything like that. So that is the initial rent figure that arrives in my bank account each month. I will of course let you know when I garner any significant expenses against that, should I have to replace any carpets, do any boiler services or whatever. One thing that I do have to tell you about is that I had to fill in my tax return this month, and that has left me with a tax bill that I'm going to have to pay into the next year. I'll be revealing that in probably a later video actually, because it's probably more detailed than you need right now. All you need to know is £1,300 passive income from my 2 buy-to-let properties this month. And then we'll move it on to my second source of passive income. And that is, again, you wonderful guys, YouTube. My YouTube channel last month in December earned me £353.35. This is slightly down on last month's total, which was £404. There's a couple of reasons for this. A, I don't think I got out as many videos, and then secondly, I suffered quite a bit of a setback in my CPM. So what I actually earn per 1,000 views on my video actually took a 24% cut. So even though I got more viewers through my channel and more people watching my videos, the actual amount I earned per 1,000 views actually dropped by 24%. And there's no real reason for this, it's just the way YouTube does things. That's how it is, and as a YouTuber I have to accept that, and I don't have a problem. I'll just continue plodding along my merry way and see if I can beat £353 next month. The next and third source of my passive income is Freetrade, FREESHARES. And last month I garnered £33.71 in free shares through that company, averaging at about £6 or £7 a share, which I was very pleased with, especially as Freetrade seems to be a little bit harder for me to generate referrals from. The next fourth type of passive income is again another referral program through the Stake app. And I gained £48 in referrals from this one. I gained 1 share in DROPBOX, which was worth $22, and then the other 2 sign-ups, were done through my link in the description below, which just gives me cash instead of shares, and that is £15 up front each referral, which is not too bad at all. And again, just for having the links in my video. If you want to sign up to any of my free share accounts, I have Trading212, Freetrade and Stake. The links are in the description below, and you can sign up with any of them and get yourself a free share. And last but not least, this is the grand sort of daddy of them all. Trading212 free shares amassed to you're reading me right, £600 last month. I am indebted to you guys for using my referral links. It's absolutely fantastic. I did have some highly valuable ones, so you might think I've had to gain so many in terms of that. I haven't, but I did have some really high value ones in terms of Unilever, Starbucks, that sort of thing, where them sort of companies are worth £75 on their own. So I gained a couple in that, and then I became a massive shareholder for a while in EasyJet, General Electric and Ford. I've been getting those shares like there's no tomorrow. No complaints here. I'll take a free share in absolutely anything, whether it's General Electric or whether it's Starbucks or Uber or AstraZeneca. happy to take anything, and thank you guys so much for doing so. That is all just coming from going out on my Instagram or through my YouTube videos, people using my links. So that is absolutely amazing, and again, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart for enabling me and rewarding me for doing what I do. No other sources of passive income to report this week, I'm afraid, or this month should I say. Amazon has not been in touch to say that I've had any commissions through those links in my channel, which is unfortunate, but that's just the way it is. I am also considering signing up with a Bitcoin provider to offer a referral link that way, either through Coinbase or SwissBorg, or maybe even both. Again, I've always been a little bit skeptical of Bitcoin, but so many people now are coming on board and the big institutions are coming on board. I'm having no choice other than to try and monetize this because everybody else is, quite frankly, and I'm going to eventually, I'm looking at investing in Bitcoin miners. If the video has came out on that, that's great. If it hasn't, we'll see. But I'm also probably going to take on small positions in Bitcoin as well. I don't like how volatile it is, but I think if I drip feed into it, that should feed me some decent returns over the longer term. And it will allow me another referral link to get out to you guys on the channel. As always, thank you very much for your support, guys. Impossible without you either watching my videos or using my referral links, or both, and smashing the like buttons and subscribing to my channel. All of that goes to a whole new level in taking this channel to where it has been. I'm at 5,000 subscribers now, which is absolutely fantastic. Never ever thought that I would ever get close to this, so thank you again. I really appreciate it, and hopefully I'll see you in my next investing episode. Catch you later.